So many coins today have really pumped. So many coins are on green. According to CoinMarketCap, you can see most coins on green. Some coins have already hit 50% increase, some 59, some 60, 70, 13, 10% increase in price. So today is actually a bullish day for crypto industry. But one thing that surprises me is that Bitcoin himself is actually on red. But remember, most time when BTC is on green, most coins are on green. When BTC is on red, most coins are on red. But today is actually different from every other days. For me, I'm surprised to see that even Ethereum actually hit over 7%. So many coins, Bitcoin Cash have actually hit 180% in just 30 days, and today Bitcoin Cash have also hit over 40%. But for BTC, it's actually trading with red. For Luna Classic, Luna is also on green. That is good news. But the truth is, Luna didn't really increase much like other coins. Though Luna also gained over $6 million being pumped back into Luna Classic today. So I believe with this recent rise and changes in the crypto industry, something will be happening. Crypto industry will definitely in the next few months or years, we'll see that Bitcoin will no longer be the major controller of crypto industry. But like today, so many coins are on green, hitting massively with an increase of 13%, 10%, 27%, many coins. But Bitcoins remain on red. I've not seen this before for a very long period of time. I've not seen Bitcoin on red, while so many coins are on green, massively on green. So something is definitely wrong somewhere, but I don't know. But what I believe is that, crypto industry is now turning phase. We are actually in another phase of crypto industry. We are clear Bitcoin itself might not be able to control the most prices of crypto industry. And for me, many coins are almost getting dependent from Bitcoin. No matter what they do, Bitcoin still the best. Bitcoin still controls them, the prices. Because when Bitcoin pumps, they pump. When Bitcoin goes down, they go down. You see the difference. But today is different. And I wish every other day would be like that. Every other day would be totally different. I'm talking about a mass increase and mass drop in price. Let's see what happens in the next future.